Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, presenting you the most popular begun bhaja of Bengali cuisine. For this recipe, I have taken white brinjal. You can also take eggplant or the purple brinjal. Now I am going to remove the skin part and I am going to cut it vertically with thickness of 1 inch. You may slice it very thin too as per your liking. Now I am cutting all the other brinjals similarly. I have taken the brinjals in two parts. To the first part I am adding in turmeric and salt. This is a very basic one. To the second part I am going to add turmeric, then chili powder and then salt as per your taste and a little bit of lemon juice. Now I am going to give it a good mix. Alternatively, you can also cover the lids and shake it well. In this way also they are going to mix properly. Now in a deep kadai I have taken 10 to 12 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the mustard oil are heated, I am adding in the brinjal pieces. These are the basic brinjal pieces with only turmeric and salt. We are going to fry these brinjals in high flame till the end. So keep flipping over the sides so that it doesn't get burned. And in less than 5 minutes, our brinjals are cooked. Serve it hot. Now I am going to show you another way of frying these brinjals with less oil. Now alternatively you can also fry this way. Take a pan, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and add in the brinjals. In this case we are not deep frying it. But again this will also take less than 5 minutes to cook. We will keep flipping the sides and then we will fry it in high flame. Keep flipping the sides. And after almost 4 minutes, it is done. And our begun bhaja is ready. Serve it hot with rice and dal. Do try it in your home and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out. Please consider subscribing to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.